Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to make snowmen out of hot glue blobs. Okay, we have yarn, or you can get other things and tie it like this for a hanger. Okay, we're going to make a blob and out of the hot glue. And it's very, very hot, so kids, be careful. So you need to cover up the knot. Alright, you take beads like this, and you're going to make it from his eyes. This is an orange pipe cleaner, and we're going to put this as a nose. Okay, we're going to make a mouth. And they're really tiny. These look like melting snowmen. Okay, we're going to put this in the freezer and let it cool down. And then we're going to take it out and then peel it off. So it'll come out like this. You can put it as a decoration, or on your tree, or wherever you want to hang it at. Mine, in my freezer. Here is the ornament all ready to be hung. See how the light is coming through it? This is super easy, but you also need a dough, because it's hot glue. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments. Merry Christmas!